Warm welcome to you all in the coffee conversation section of VIOF. I am Shiv, founder of VIOF, World is One Family. And today we are having Santosh, an ex-Infoscion, turned pioneer of natural farming. And we are going to get some very interesting information from him. So welcome, Santosh, to our coffee conversation section. It's great to have you here.
Thank you, Shu, for calling me for this coffee conversation.
Okay, so now let's move on to our first question. I want to know, we all want to know, what is natural farming? Could you just throw a little bit light on that?
Yeah, natural farming is a farming which is done by using the natural resources. So basically, it is a cow-based farming, Indian local cow-based farming. We use cow dung and cow urine, the different combinations as a fertilizers. Also, like we use different trees leaves, like neem tree, then currants tree. There are different trees whose leaves are like a little bit bitter, and like so those we use in combination with this cow urine as a spray. So basically, we are using all natural resources. Therefore, it is known as natural farming.
Okay, great. Now, on to my second question. What products come out of these natural farming? What all is grown and what all is sold?
So, like basically, all the products which are required for those can be grown by using this natural farming. Currently, in our case, like we are producing vegetables, different kinds of fruits, then pulses, jaggery, almost all the products which are needed. And there are certain innovations in product. Different products are also going on.
Okay, great. Would like to know, Santosh, what is the benefit of consuming these products?
So, like if, as you see, if you consume natural food, you will be healthy. So why so? Because there are many food benefits. Overall, if you consume the natural food, your health will be good. They have the natural food will be the fresh one. Then it has the better nutrients compared to the other produce. It has the best output of this is we are not using any insecticide, any fertilizers, chemical fertilizers in our farms. And then weedicides, different types of weedicides. Growth hormones are there, which are used in our traditional farming. But we are avoiding completely all these things because due to the continuous use of all these chemicals, our bodies are becoming now antibiotic resistance. You might have observed many times, we go to the doctor, they give us some certain antibiotic. They refer us certain antibiotic. We consume it, but there is very little or no impact on our body. So again, we go to the doctor, they refer us the different antibiotic, because the first, our bodies become resistant to the first antibiotic. From where it come to our body, the reason is it is come from the growth hormones or the different chemicals used. Again, there are livestock. So for livestock, they are giving different vaccines, also different antibiotics. So by any means that comes to our body, and our body becomes antibiotic resistant. So we completely avoid all these chemicals. So again, these systems make our immune system weaker. In our case, we are not using anything, so it make our immune system stronger. It has a very higher antioxidant in our food. Then our food is not, we are not using any genetically modified seeds. So we are trying to use as most as possible natural seeds. So it
Okay.
gives us the benefits uh, in a healthier fruits.
Okay.
Because of the healthy seeds give the healthy fruits. So
Okay.
in that way, it impacts our health. So these are the few benefits, but there are, if you see, number of benefits overall, your health become very strong. Again, the another thing in pulses we have seen the consumable portions decreases. Suppose
Okay.
if you prepare a dal from a arhar or tur dal, red gram, uh, so if you require one cup,
Hmm.
1 cup of pulse, in our
Hmm.
case, like we are preparing this pulses without any polish.
Hmm.
We are
Okay.
not
Right.
polishing anything. Yeah. So we are just removing the cover and giving as it is to you. So because of
Correct.
this one, the pulses are uh, require very less because they become very big in size when you actually boil it. So
Okay.
the
Okay.
portion becomes like 75% of what you are using. So
Oh,
that
great.
is a one more benefit which we have get as a feedback from our consumers. So these
Right.
are the like there are these kinds of benefits on directly on your it impact on your health. Again, it the consumers indirectly uh, supporting the environment safety because they
Correct.
are asking for a good food, healthy food, natural food. So farmer
Correct.
have to prepare that food.
Correct.
So
Correct.
in that way, whatever the demand is there, that kind of supply will be there. So indirectly, it will impact the whole carbon print. As
Okay.
we are not using any poisonous these fertilizers, uh,
Hmm.
there is very less carbon footprint out of it, and it will indirectly promote the environment safety. Again, one more thing, how it support to the ecosystems also
Hmm.
the complete natural ecosystem it supports like
Hmm.
because we are not using any kind of this chemical fertilizers and pesticides
Hmm. Hmm.
again our natural earthworm starting coming back to our soil and they are tilling naturally. So natural tilling
Okay.
happens. They are
Okay.
giving the natural resources from below the line to the upmost part of this. So indirect way, again for pest control, we are not using any pesticides. So we
Hmm.
instead of that we use bus stops at many places. Like
Hmm.
sweet corn is there, which is a bus stop. Then jowar is there, which is a bus stop. So birds come and stop there. They see any pest is there, they consume it, and just in that way, this natural cycle get completed. Ecosystem get completed if
Okay.
we are using this natural farming.
Okay. Okay. Great. And obviously, the taste also is good. I've been
Yeah,
purchasing from you, and the taste has
yeah,
been excellent. Yeah.
yeah.
So
The taste is always better because the seeds are natural, and
right.
this all things, the sweetness and all these things are different from the normal market product.
Right. Right. Great. Great, Santosh. Great to hear that. Moving to my next question, I want to ask. I mean, obviously, you will have a great farmer network, handling all this. Obviously, all this process benefits the farmer, right? I mean, there is no scope of middleman or other things, due to which farmers suffer a lot, in the country.
Uh, uh, yes, right. Rightly pointed out, Shiv. So, like we have our own farmer group. So, because of this one, farmers get directly benefited. There are no middlemen, no commission agents, and no any kind of rates difference for the
Hmm.
farmers. So, like we
Hmm.
have pre-decided rates for our farmers and consumers, which
Hmm.
benefits both of them. So,
Correct.
like many a times, like currently you have seen the situation, tomatoes are grown a lot. So
Hmm.
there fall in price for
Hmm.
the regular farmers. So they are
Hmm.
actually
Correct.
throwing them. They are dumping
Correct.
anywhere. So
Correct.
the food is produced a lot. but it is not consumed by anyone.
Correct. We
So
just saw the
the
recent
wastage
reports of Nashik and Aurangabad, right? They have just
yeah,
dumped
yeah,
the
yeah,
tomatoes
yeah,
in the street.
yeah.
Hmm.
So we are wasting all these natural resources here also, like in this way. In our case, like we try to produce as much as required for our consumers.
Right.
So if there are any excess thing, we sell to the normal market also.
Okay. Okay. Great.
So that
Great.
directly benefit to our farmers. The rates are they are getting a very good rates and no cuts in the rate.
Great. Great. Great to hear this. Great to hear this, Santosh. Okay. Now, how I want to moving on to my next question. These products, let's say, I think you primarily operate out of Pune now. So, I mean, do you cater to all the regions of Pune, or are there still? I mean, just want to know to what all regions of Pune you cater to, and if at all, any other city outside Pune as well, or is it there in the near future plan or anything like that?
Yes, sure. Very good question. Actually, like we are currently supplying, we are based in Pimpri Saudhagar, Pimpri Chinchwad.
Okay.
So, like we are supplying to Pimpri Saudhagar, Wakad, Aund, Baner, Pashan,
Okay.
then Kothurud, Baudan,
Hmm.
Warje,
Okay.
and Dhahiri also. And
Okay.
also like to the Digri, Ravet, and the Tathodi region also, Dangechok region
Okay.
also.
Great.
Yeah.
Great.
And near future, like we are starting towards Vimannagar, Kharadi also. And also
Okay.
like we are getting a high demand from Mumbai and Thane.
Oh, great.
So like we have started increasing our farmers and land. So it will be soon we will start our footprint in Mumbai also.
Great, great. That's wonderful to hear, Santosh, because a lot of people in Mumbai and Thane also have been asking about this, and they also need to benefit. Like the Pune
Sure,
people.
sure. Yeah,
Great,
sure.
great to hear this.
So
Okay,
one point
now,
I want to add here.
yeah,
Sorry,
yeah,
Shiv.
Santosh, yeah.
Like our base location is in nearby Aurangabad. So we are getting new highway, that's Samruddhi Highway. So that will benefit us to give the fresh material to Mumbai in a very less time. So that will be our new project. It will starting soon. Yeah.
Great. Absolutely. Yeah, that's wonderful to hear. Yeah, Santosh. And yeah, we're really looking forward to that. When lot more people can benefit from this, and that will certainly. Now, moving on to my next question. Let's say we want to order from you. How to order from there? And let's say we want to reach you as well. Is there any website or anything that we can reach you on, or can you just throw some light on that for our consumers' benefit?
Yeah, sure. Like we have our own website, eatfreshnatural.com. But currently it is a static one. It just give our information there. Our order process is a little bit different. We are using Google Forms for the order processing. So like anybody can ping me on my mobile number, and I will send the form. Then we have our own groups, broadcast group, through which the consumer will get the notification, regular notifications.
Okay. I mean, obviously people who know you would ping you, but can people get to know your number from eatfreshnatural.com?
Every information is there.
Right.
Yeah,
even though
they
it's
can
static,
visit there.
that's fine. Yeah, if they get your number, they will be able to ping you and ask for the order and all that. Okay, great. So
again,
obviously,
sure.
Yeah, obviously the way I do it is, I ping to you and I get the Google form also from you, from where I'm able to select things and all that.
Right.
The same thing others can also do, right? I mean, yeah.
Right. One couple of more things we have added. We have our own page, Eat Fresh Natural, on Facebook. There also, like we regularly update our Google link. And
Okay.
again, Eat Fresh, Google Business, on Google Business, there is a Eat Fresh Natural page. There also we
Okay.
regularly update our links. Like people
Okay.
can
You're
go
saying
and
the Google
check the
Form
link.
link, right? So that people can
Yeah,
directly
yeah,
click and order for you. Yeah,
yeah,
that's great.
yeah,
Santosh, yeah. Because I found the Google Form very easier, rather than just
yeah.
pinging and telling you what I want. If I want, more
Right,
quantities.
right,
So
right,
yeah,
right,
that's great,
right.
Santosh. Yeah, I think I'm sure it will benefit our audience. Uh, so the last question, as we come down to this segment, is: see, there are a lot of people who want to make a difference to the environment. They might be in IT, they might be in other places, and many of them want to actually move into natural farming to make a difference to the society. Uh, but many of them do not know the path. I mean, many of them are hesitant as to how they will begin and all that. What would you tell to people like that? And can those people approach you for guidance? I mean, in case they want to start out like you in natural farming.
Sure, anytime. That is my passion. So anytime people can contact me. I am guiding many people currently. Like
Okay.
we have a group which I have founded, IT Natural Farmers. So
Okay.
almost around 450 IT people and doctors are there. And
Oh,
so we are interacting on this natural farming there every time, every day, every minute, we can
mm,
say. Lot of
right,
innovations are happening. This is
right.
completely unorganized sector. Many innovations need to be done in this sector.
Okay.
So
Okay.
lot of chances for innovations for like I will tell you, like there are different connect. Like if you are interested in sale, you can work in sales. If you want
Right.
to, you are interested in marketing, you can go for marketing. If you are want to work in farm, you can go for productions.
Right.
So
Right.
productions, you directly work in the farm, work with the cows. You like there are very minor details which you need to study. That also like we publish every week to the people. We ask people to share their experiences. Again, there is a new innovation wing is there. What kind of innovations need to get our work done with minimum labors? What kind of
Okay.
machineries that need to be used, or what kind of innovative products need to added,
Okay.
different kinds of robots. Like recently, we are looking at a drones for the spraying of the all these our pest repellent. So these kind of innovations can be done. Uh,
Okay.
then again, there are huge challenges in the sales. There are huge challenges in the delivery systems. So many, like completely a big sector open for us. But here,
Right.
one thing is required: your passion, your hobby should be there.
Correct.
You should be talking
Correct.
to the people and all these things. So by using
Correct.
all these steps,
Correct.
or the part you like, you can choose and you can start. So we are there.
Correct.
We have our own platform. Whatever you
Correct.
want, anytime you can contact me. Like recently, a couple of people from Mumbai, they have visited, and
Hmm.
like they have started their own venture. We are supporting them. There are few
Okay.
guys
Great.
here. We are supporting them also to spread the word, to benefit your family and friends by using our network. So like
Correct.
we are doing that already, because this is not a work of a single person.
Right. Right.
So
Absolutely.
many brains, many there are many IITians who are working with us,
Right. Right.
because
Great.
the most important work is the product innovations,
Correct.
and
Correct.
this sector needs to be innovated.
Correct.
Innovations needs in product, innovation need in agriculture, needs innovation needs in protecting your foods, fruits. So there are many things, like there are maybe there are future robots which will pick the
Hmm.
fruits from your farms directly.
Right.
So
Yeah.
that kind of innovations are required, and people are
Correct.
doing that. I'm happy,
Correct.
like many people currently, out of 450 people in our group, around 250 people's IT people's started going to their farms from last two
Okay.
years.
Okay.
So I'm
Great.
very happy for them, and lot
Right.
of benefits out of it is happening.
Right. And this can become a big
Thanks.
movement around the country, right? You
Yeah,
see
yeah,
that,
yeah,
right?
yeah, 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 yeah. So it will
Okay.
benefit alternate your family, your
Hmm.
friends, and ultimately society. You can say it as a social entrepreneurship.
Correct,
It's a
correct.
kind of a social
Absolutely.
entrepreneurship.
Yeah. So the very, very happy to hear this. And that is the reason, we wanted to interview you on VOF, because we want to bring this awareness to our visitors on the site, so that they can embark on this path. And thank you so much, Santosh, for your time, valuable time on this. And this has really been a very valuable, conversation for us and for our people who will visit our site. So I wish you the very best in your endeavors, and we will stay in touch. You can help us out also in terms of some mentorship in this particular area as and when required.
Sure. Thanks a lot, Shiv, to making part of your team. Thanks.
Thank you. Have a nice day, Santosh. Yeah.
Yeah, same
Bye.
to you.